हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी हडल। आज हम नए स्टूडियोज में वलीद
यस सर
और सिर्फ ये चेंज नहीं है, चेंज ये भी है कि सिर्फ मैं और वलीद हैं आज। बाकी बॉयज ज़रा गए हुए हैं बाहर, तो हम दोनों ही हैं एंड वी गोना टॉक अबाउट अ फ्यू थिंग्स।
जस्ट फुटबॉल
हाँ, obviously just football, Champions League and the Euros.
The big
I'm
one.
excited for them. Champions League तो अब हो गई है ना।
yeah
चलते हैं चैंपियंस लीग की तरफ शुरू
what
करते
did you
हैं
think
bro.
about it
Yeah, Chelsea played really well.
Yeah.
I'll have to be honest. City को बिल्कुल स्पेस नहीं दी उन्होंने, जीरो स्पेस थी और I don't know man, Chelsea had the more clear cut chances.
yeah
City couldn't break them down और ऐसा लग रहा था कि Chelsea wanted to win.
Exactly,
On the
man.
other hand, City didn't. और De Bruyne की इंजरी भी काफी बड़ी फैक्टर
yeah,
थी।
that was a big
हाँ,
factor.
although वो उतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं था उसका गेम में।
Bro, but yeah, I have one point on that. Like,
Huh.
I get the criticism, कि ठीक है, you know, he didn't have that much of an impact.
Hmm.
But I feel in big games, your best players should be playing in their best position.
हाँ, for sure.
They,
He was
because,
playing false
because
nine.
if you remember, before they met in January or something, Kante था. Kante was still the best Kante there is. ठीक है, Kante's never
yeah.
been bad. Like, a few apart from the starting इधर-उधर. And De Bruyne bossed that game, and he was playing from a deeper midfield role.
Deeper midfield role ना, मसला ये था, he was playing false nine over here और
He was getting into positions
और-
जो covered,
हाँ.
जो जगह नहीं थी उधर.
Exactly.
ना? You can't play with his
और-
back towards goal. इस
और
तरह का.
उससे negate Foden भी हो रहा था,
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि Foden I feel he plays best on the left hand side.
I agree with you because he's
He
played throughout
हाँ.
the season left hand the
और
best. खेला.
Sterling has been off from day one
Yeah.
इस season में
हाँ.
और उसका देख लिया क्या किया था, he was rubbish.
Like
और-
people say, देखो, I'm not disregarding Reece James as well. He had a good
Reece
game.
James
But the
had a
thing is, like,
brilliant
he's
and
and he's a good player as well.
हाँ,
But ये है
definitely.
कि वो जो कहते हैं ना कि Reece James pocketed Sterling, like it's not a big deal this season.
हाँ,
This season, a
हाँ.
lot of defenders have pocketed
Yeah,
Sterling.
Exactly.
So like the match he had, like would match up, like it was just
हाँ.
unfair to begin with वाली बात
हाँ,
आ जाती
अब
है.
देखो ना, राइट पे मारेज इज गुड, ही इज
Yeah.
रियली गुड और वो इतना बुरा
Mahrez
नहीं
was-
खेला, ही वाज
हाँ, he
द
was-
मेन थ्रेट फ्रॉम
Hmm.
देम है ना। लेकिन उससे निगेट दो प्लेयर्स हुए हैं जो कि केडीबी हुए और फोर्डन हुए इस
Exactly.
फॉर्मेशन से, और फिर ही डिडंट प्ले अ डीएम। और मैं खैर ट्वीट्स भी पढ़ रहा था कि लास्ट दो मैचेस में ही स्ट्राइड 2 DMs अगेंस्ट चेल्सी, ही स्ट्राइड 1 DM अगेंस्ट
No, but I don't count
And
the
the-
league game. The one DM
हाँ,
वाला तो
the-
मैं
the
बिल्कुल
second-
count नहीं कर रहा. I
second
count
one,
I
right?
count the cup because the league
हाँ.
game तो it was all they
Done-
conceded
done
from
and dusted,
हाँ,
right?
and they conceded goals because they weren't playing their proper fullbacks तो थे.
हाँ
क्योंकि वो wing back he was trying a 3 formation ना,
3-5-2
back, हाँ.
yeah.
तो उसमें तो
3-4-3
yeah, उसमें तो Mendy था and Mendy was run over. Like Mendy had the horrible game. और
Yeah.
सब attack Mendy के through they made it.
Yeah.
तो वो तो game मैं नहीं count करता, तो ऐसे testing था.
हाँ
But the cup game, I agree. Like, वो two, like
Yeah.
that made Pep think, के,
हाँ,
you know,
okay.
let me tinker. But there was no need to tinker. Like, play the same
Exactly,
way. You
हाँ.
didn't lose that badly. You just lost because Chelsea have been so solid.
So
मतलब,
solid.
I don't know how he's done it. They were leaking goals before he came in.
बाकी-
and everyone thought कि ये तो defenders इतने अच्छे नहीं है. But he's just somehow like instilled this thing कि they're so hard to break down now.
यार और चेल्सी की बात करें, एक तो कांटे तो ऑब्वियसली कांटे है, दूसरी साइड पे रीस जेम्स एंड एस्पिलिक्वेटा और
Oh,
रूडिगर का
Aspil,
एक टैकल,
Yeah.
ओ भाई क्रेजी। लेकिन एस्पिलिक्वेटा व्हाट अ डिफेंडर मैन, बहुत अंडररेटेड है
Bro,
यार
it's
वो
so
बंदा।
underrated. Like मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, like those 2 seasons prime Aspie जो
हाँ.
था ना, when he won the
Prime
league and then
Aspie,
he
yeah,
went
bro.
the left back, right
हाँ.
back. Like this man has played center
Centre
back,
back,
left
right
back,
back,
right
left
back.
back,
Bro,
yeah.
he's played everywhere.
हाँ.
And कोई position में नहीं है जो तुम कह सकते हो कि this guy hasn't played, like you know, up to
He's
the
been
level
brilliant,
he's
exactly.
like he's left Aspilicueta as a centre back, you know, the world class level, right
हाँ.
back maybe, left back maybe. And we saw it yesterday again के top
और द गुड थिंग टुकल डिड इस दफा उसने रीस जेम्स को सेंटर बैक नहीं खिलाया जो कि ही वाज ट्राइंग इट
yeah,
बिफोर,
thank God. bro.
और एसपी
Yeah.
वाज द विंग बैक, लेकिन इस दफा ही
हाँ.
प्लेड इट राइट, वरना शायद कुछ कर सकती सिटी।
No,
But it was Tuchel was great.
Yeah.
Guardiola wasn't that great. Actually, 3 players. Gundogan भी negate हो गया था. Gundogan was playing deeper. इतना deep वो खेलता नहीं है. He makes those late runs into the
and
box.
he's and never even in his like good form जो था ना, याद है
हाँ.
जो हम कह रहे थे Gundogan
Crazy
तो वो था,
form.
he had that DM for a defender behind him कि वो
Rodri
थोड़ा सा
होता
हाँ,
था.
और Fernandinho
हाँ.
तो वही
Exactly. So, खैर deserved winners Chelsea.
yeah
I
don't
can't say
deserve it, like
anything,
you
yeah.
can't say they didn't deserve it.
हाँ.
They played good football throughout
the
like
tournament.
I think they
हाँ.
conceded in the last big games में कितने 2 goals थे
एक वो पोर्टो से concede
हाँ.
किया था और एक
Yeah,
Benzema से.
Benzema से तो
हाँ.
देख ले bro, like if that isn't
They've
deserving.
beaten Atletico, they've beaten
Yeah.
Real Madrid and City in the final, और it's been brilliant. चलते हैं अब, जरा बहुत ज़्यादा हमने तारीफ कर ली चेल्सी की, मुझे उल्टी सी आ रही है। यूरोस पे चलो यार, बस हो
ब्रो
गया।
यूरोस भी एक और टेंशन है। तुमने जो रीस जेम्स की बात की थी,
हाँ
ठीक है, इंग्लैंड के बारे में मैं कह रहा हूँ तुम्हें कि सैडली साउथगेट थिंक्स द सेम थिंग कि आई कैन प्ले रीस जेम्स एज अ राइट साइडेड सेंटर बैक, which is again he's making the same mistake he made with Kyle Walker.
Kyle Walker भी खेल रहा था।
Bro, these players don't have the awareness of a center back.
हाँ, they're wing backs, proper wing backs,
or right backs, because it's a different ball game. वो क्या है ना, Trent भी कहते हैं कि he can play center mid.
He can't.
Even people can.
मतलब he can maybe in the future.
Bro, not even in the future, because it's a totally different ball game. Like मेरे point perspective से ना, it's a totally different ball game right back से, because when you see the pitch from a right side, right, you see it throughout. It's you don't have anyone behind you. You नहीं होता कि awareness चाहिए कि यार ये मेरे आएगा ये होएगा. When you're in the center
back, you have right, left,
and very certain players can play transition wise. Lam, Kimmich, इस तरह के where they're technically just top level. तो ये इसलिए I don't think this Trent thing works and all this.
क्या मतलब Trent isn't going to the Euros?
No, I hope he goes, लेकिन जिस तरह लग रहा है वही
चार राइट बैक्स लेके जाएगा।
वही कह रहे हैं यार,
वॉकर, ट्रिपियर
तो वो ड्रॉप नहीं कर रहा। वो तो उसका वो मजाक था ना, they would say कि Mount is the son of वो, I think Trippier is the son of Southgate. Even they had a good season, but like you can't drop him because of this ना, कि वो कह रहा है कि he's reliable and stuff, तो ठीक है वो लेके जा रहा है
यार। लेकिन कितने reliable तुम्हें चाहिए?
You need new fresh faces, bro.
You need Trent Alexander-Arnold in that squad, man. उसकी अब imagine the scenario, you're 80 minutes in, you're 1-0 down, or you have a creator like Trent from the right back position, और वहाँ से वो crosses फेंक रहा है. That's a threat on its own. Compare it to Trippier.
No, it doesn't have that effect. Like you'd want to close Trent down. You don't give Trent space. You can allow Trippier to give his space.
That opens up spaces
exactly.
on the
that's
other
the
side
thing, when you
of the pitch.
focus, that the more threats you have on field, the better it is for you. And
better footballers, man.
Exactly,
better footballers. Euros, England के squad की हम detail में बात करेंगे जब सारे boys वापस आ जाएंगे.
Yeah, for sure.
हाँ. और अभी बाकी वैसे, who do you think who are the favorites for the tournament?
यार France तो obviously.
France
is that पक्का. वो तो these guys are. I saw their under 20.
और Benzema भी वापस आ गया.
Benzema. नहीं, I saw France's under 21 squad. Euros. Bro, that squad is good enough to compete in this World Cup.
कौन है उसमें?
यार, they've got like वो क्या कहते हैं, वो तो हमारे लिवरपूल के signing अभी Konate आ गया. I think Aouar is in there as well.
Aouar, Camavinga होगा.
Yeah, I think वो भी. No, I think he's in this first team squad. वो नहीं होगा.
नहीं, Camavinga squad में तो नहीं.
नहीं है. If he's there, then हाँ, then probably उधर होगा यार. तो सोच लो. I thought he'd be in there. वो भी उधर है. And bro, they've got a lot of names there. Like I forgot, can't think of back in my head, but there was that squad. Like I saw it and I'm like, यार ये क्या scene चल रहा है इधर.
खैर एक और टीम है, and that's Portugal.
Unlucky with the 2 injuries they got.
What injuries?
Neto and Podence.
हाँ, Neto और Podence. उसके अलावा
भी देख लो क्या squad
bro,
है.
क्या squad है उनका? Felix, Ronaldo, Bernardo Silva, Bruno Fernandes, Diego Jota.
And then they've got the William Carvalho,
Danilo Pereira,
Ruben Neves,
Joao Moutinho.
Just sit back and spray the ball. Let them do their thing.
Left back with Rafael Guerrero. Right back कौन है इनका? Cancelo, Semedo.
Ricardo Pereira भी है. Like they can use 2 at right back, Semedo and Ricardo, and they can use Cancelo as a left back as well.
और फिर Ruben Diaz.
By the way, Guerrero जो है वो भी center DM खेल सकता है.
वो DM भी खेलता है, वो left wing भी खेलता है.
तो देख
और फिर Ruben Diaz in defense. और फिर Pepe.
And the thing is, you guys might be laughing. I don't know. Maybe if you're following the Portuguese league or something, I'm not sure. लेकिन Portugal में ना यार a great season there. Like I've seen कि काफी fit season था. Everyone's been praising him कि how is Pepe not aging still yet. And I think he had UAE के खिलाफ. Like I only saw one of his matches ना. Like top form against Juve. And I thought he was amazing, man. Like he bossed that defense at such an old age. तो वो भी काफी fit जा रहा है.
अच्छा, और कौन सी टीम है यार threatening? Spain underrated squad.
Yeah, bro.
Underdogs है.
An argument we had in the group chat over a certain player. Tariq and I and
what was it?
Valverde.
Valverde.
Fabian Ruiz. Man, I think he's really underrated. Like he hasn't had the best of seasons and all, but वो Spain की squad besides him as well in it. Thiago, and then Gerard Moreno's had a great season.
Gerard Moreno's been great.
And Dani Olmo.
Yeah.
मैंने तो उसे Elmo डाल क्या था वो क्या था but
Dani Olmo और भी हैं यार, मेरे ज़हन से निकल गए हैं. हैं इनके एक
yeah,
दो
no, they
wingers.
do.
Adama Traore.
Oh yeah, Adama Traore. Like he brings it. Adama Traore is going to bring this different dimension to a Spain squad
Spain
I haven't
squad,
seen
exactly.
in a while.
नहीं जब से मैंने फुटबॉल देखनी शुरू की है.
He hasn't been this type of player, right?
Exactly. और तो वैसे थोड़ा सा missing pieces हैं. I feel they'll do better in the World Cup.
अच्छा.
हाँ अभी थोड़ा सा young ही है. They've got experience in the form of Busquets and Jordi Alba. Ramos नहीं है इस दफा. I feel.
What do you think, Ramos? Good decision.
Bad decision.
Bad decision. Yeah.
Ramos
it's questionable, man.
Character एक चाहिए होता है. If you have a young squad or center backs अगर देखो, they haven't got the वो वाले experienced center backs of old. तो Ramos अगर होता ना, वो खैर वैसे एक भी रियल मैड्रिड का player नहीं है. Not even one.
But look, I agree with the one player that should have been Ramos का.
Yeah.
But others for me didn't deserve to make it.
यार एक दो और थे मेरे ज़हन से निकल गए.
वही तुम कह रहे थे ना उसके बारे में. Asensio
नहीं.
Like, I don't see anyone. Like maybe Nacho
Nacho.
But again, bro, look at the defense, man.
What?
Like वो Villarreal का player कौन सा था?
Pau Torres.
What a player, man.
What a player.
What a player. So ये like how can you not give him a chance at he has to start because ये तो World Cup
Pau Torres has to start.
तो उसके साथ फिर Laporte as switched.
Laporte मैं भूल गया
वो यार ना he switched.
Yeah.
So I don't see Nacho coming to that. Like then bring defenders that are just secondaries or secondary भी इनके अच्छे. Like the players like Eric Garcia अभी Barcelona join करेगा. You're not sold by him, Sadi. I know that, and I know I understand your opinion.
I've seen him play. He makes too many mistakes.
I understand your opinion, but he's really young, and at the same time, he can defend, man. Like he's got all these attributes as a modern defender.
देख लेना नहीं.
Bro, अभी Barcelona जा रही है. He's joining this summer ना free पे. So I think he's gonna.
यार बारसा की डिफेंस का वैसे ही अपना बुरा हाल है.
He's gonna do well for them.
They do need good defenders, and Eric Garcia is not the answer for that. उसके अलावा और कौन सा स्क्वाड है यार? My beloved Italy. यार
मुझे तो वैसे इटली से just because you supported and Tariq supports it, मैं तो बस कहता हूँ कि निकालो इटली को.
They've got some really good players.
Bro, Barella,
Nico Barella, Federico Chiesa, Bernardeschi or Locatelli, Verratti. They've got a good young squad.
You forgot your favorite player, man.
My favorite.
Jorginho.
यार वो नहीं आएगा स्क्वाड में. और उसके अलावा strike force जो है इनकी, we've been seeing them in Serie A for a long time. It's still Ciro Immobile and
they're like Spain.
Belotti.
They're not producing strikers.
Strikers नहीं
They're not producing strikers.
They've got good young wingers जो कि पहले नहीं थे इनके पास.
यार Chiesa is like a gem in this.
अभी तो Zaniolo injured था.
Bro, I've told you 1,000 times.
Zaniolo
he's my favorite. He's my favorite Italian player.
मेरा same exactly.
बेचारा बहुत unlucky हुआ
और defense इनकी as usual strong है.
Even if they're not those names जो पहले थे, but they are solid, man. Like
Servi is solid. उसके अलावा Bonucci और Chiellini हैं अभी भी squad में. और फिर इटली के डिफेंस पे बेसिकली ये पूरी टीम बनाते हैं. I feel they're going to go deep in the tournament. मुझे feeling आ रही है क्योंकि they've got a good base.
That's the thing. They're going to use that and then full counter पे ये Chiesa
Bernardeschi
to go around. And also ये Barella has been so good this season.
Barella को पता नहीं अब start कराते हैं या नहीं because
कौन होगा वैसे?
यार Verratti, Jorginho
अगर definitely he's gonna घुसा देगा.
I want Locatelli to start. Locatelli बहुत कमाल है.
Bro वही बात है फिर end में जो तुम मैं like we think Jorginho is really overrated.
हाँ,
Chelsea fans don't agree, but we think he's like Xhaka in the sense. He's like because like you see the ability, like we get the abilities present there.
मतलब हाँ, Xhaka has the ability, he doesn't put it on the field, right?
And on top of that, Xhaka could be if you force Xhaka as a CDM, you know what happens.
Yeah, Xhaka plays great for Switzerland though.
But you know why? You know why? Because he doesn't play as a CDM. He plays alongside the CDM.
पहले तो बेरामी था, अब पता नहीं कौन है.
तो वही I don't. So that's the role where you have to play Xhaka. And Jorginho का if you play him there, he still can't put in the work that Xhaka can sort of उस role में. थोड़ा सा.
मतलब
Jorginho has to be CDM.
Both of them
in the same level. तो वही like they're overrated and they're full of mistakes. But वही है कि sometimes
it works, sometimes it doesn't. और Netherlands है. Netherlands पहले से बहुत हल्की है.
You know,
they've got good young players. I'd give them that.
I don't know how to pronounce his name. मुझे Liverpool भी linked है. Gravenberch, man.
बहुत fit है.
Like I saw his clips from here and there, Ajax के stuff. And I saw ability there, bro. Like I saw,
really
he's like a proper Pogba-ish player, but he's got work rate as well. Like he's ability-wise. Like I'm not saying Pogba level, but
obviously,
ability-wise, like he's there. So imagine a midfield of him, De Jong and Wijnaldum. I think that's a solid 3.
हाँ मतलब बाकी टीम से कंपेयर किया जाए इतनी फिट नहीं है लेकिन पोटेंशियल है बहुत ज़्यादा. उसके अलावा राइट बैक उनका डेस्ट नहीं डेस्ट
डेस्ट इज
यूएस वाला डमफ्रीज और उसके अलावा डिलेट एंड डिव्राई उनके सेंटर बैक्स हैं. और
लेफ्ट बैक में भूल गया यार,
मैं भी भूल रहा हूँ.
I completely forgot, but they've got wingers में आगे like Depay is having a great season. I think he should come to Liverpool. I think everyone should come to Liverpool.
Or Depay, I think he'll start as a centre forward. अच्छा और कौन सी टीम है यार, मुझे एकदम ब्लैंक ही हो गई.
अंडरडॉग डार्क हॉर्सेस कौन है यार इसमें?
मैंने तो बताया डार्क हॉर्सेस मेरे इटली हैं.
अच्छा Bro, मेरे तो स्पेन है यार. Spain people are looking at it now, but I feel Luis Enrique.
Belgium.
My boys, man, KDB.
Belgium. KDB खेलेगा या नहीं?
Yeah, I know he's starting. They said he's going to start maybe the second group match or the third.
Yeah.
But first try miss करे, and he's on a 1 week vacation as well. He's going to join the 7th squad.
सही है.
And they said he's going to wear a face mask. Like it's fine. Like he can play. He's not going to miss it. That's a good thing.
और नहीं, Belgium has a good squad.
Man, tell me a midfield that's gonna boss this midfield. Tielemans and De Bruyne.
Tielemans and De Bruyne को कौन boss?
Tell me a midfield. No, you can't, bro.
मैं बताता हूँ.
कौन करेगा?
Rice और Henderson.
यार, no but man.
यार potential है स्पेन में.
हाँ.
Spain के जो mid है ना.
No, they can.
They have the potential to do it.
And at a very good time, Busquets भी form में आया यार. Like he's picked up that form काफी off जा रहा था.
और I don't think और कौन France bro.
The thing is they're so good, so we just don't want to talk about them. We know.
I'm talking about the midfield जो dominate करेगी वो France की करेगी.
No, but it's not going to have a lot of the ball. It'll dominate in the sense के it might contain them. It might contain them.
उनकी game play ही different है. और they basically जो World Cup में हमने देखा था वो they don't control.
They don't want to control it. That's the thing. They don't need to control it.
उनकी strength ही नहीं है वो.
They don't need to. That's what I'm trying to say ना कि like domination wise तुम देखो तो like Tielemans, De Bruyne, and by the way ये Spain कह रहा हूँ France का जो style था ना, like do you remember the Belgium game semi-final?
Yes.
And do you remember how good Belgium played?
I don't remember.
You don't remember that one?
No,
the Eden Hazard had bro. Eden Hazard for me had the best 90 minutes I've seen at a World Cup.
Oh, याद आया मुझे.
I haven't seen a player do 90 minutes. Like obviously, you know, you take into perspective वो Zidane versus Brazil. You know stuff like that. दिमाग में होता है ना कि यार that 90 minutes are memorable. So for me, like ये उसने इस तरह performance किया था जो मैं याद रखूँगा. And a lot of people do remember that. And उस game में I thought Belgium played so good. But again, like France have
too
this,
much quality,
bro. This super X factor. Like every player has that X factor in them. They can just bring it out and just do something.
Pogba, Mbappe,
endless. And you add Benzema to this. Like who brings
Giroud
another X factor?
Benzema,
exactly.
Oh my God, Griezmann. They've got a stat.
And they've all gotten better as well, man. Like क्या था?
हम इन सारे squads पे हम detail में मैं फिर से बता दूँ बात करेंगे हम. Let the boys come back. सारे जरा इधर उधर उड़े में उन्हें वापस आने तो हम proper detail में इस पे बात करेंगे. और उसके अलावा और कौन सी टीम है? एक टीम है जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूँगा और वो वेल्स है. Because Aaron Ramsey और
Gareth Bale.
Yeah, वो बहुत मजे की टीम है वेल्स एक्चुअली. एक वो होता है ना अंडरडॉग, बस 2-3 प्लेयर्स हैं उनके पास और वो भाग रहे होते हैं और वही सब कुछ करते हैं उनका. और
no, but these type of teams work, man. Like Croatia could be, they have this basing on midfield and वो उनकी भी wingers.
Exactly.
Perisic.
Croatia is a dark horse as well. Again, हर टूर्नामेंट में होते हैं वो. पता नहीं यार वो वैसे कैसे करते हैं. I don't know. वो हर tournament में ना deep जरूर जाते हैं.
But that's the thing, they have this tournament mentality. No. Like there's some teams that are built for tournament. Like you talked about Wales not doing it. Wales का भी यही है. Because I saw the documentary, right? They had this Take Us Home documentary after the Euros 2016. And man, it was like you could tell this is how teams go. Like people think football is all played कि बस you know ये player and like ये इसकी rating 90 है FIFA में तो ये तो सब अच्छे हैं.
It's not about their physical attributes
nothing,
only.
Man, nothing. Like it's about team and you know like when you go on the field.
Mentality.
ब्रो मरीनो का वो स्पर्स का डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो था ना उसमें वो कहता है कि they were tactics, you know, like you have to run for each other. Like if you see your opponent, you know, teammate in trouble, you run for him. Like you make that extra in you too, but you're not doing it. वो इनको ये कह रहे थे Spurs players को.
Spurs.
तो ये factor आ जाता है bro when you know are so aware of this team में इतनी togetherness है तुम्हारी. तो वही होता है कि like you think about these things and you know you do that extra mile, that extra energy आ जाती है in situations में. And togetherness is key, man. Like England का golden generation suffered because of it. And they don't have that.
उनके तो आपस में मुझे लगता है बर्थडे होते थे. I'm going to play this role. I'm going to play this role.
बहुत ज़्यादा. So these things matter.
Is the fuck here? I don't think this will happen this time around with England. Southgate coach बहुत घटिया है. Like one thing he has is the man management. Watch.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Watch उसकी.
Atmosphere बहुत अच्छा किया. Like everyone saying.
England का atmosphere actually जो भी interviews सुनो they're all together.
And they all support each other. Like all these young players, they've come through the under 20s and all that. तो ये काफी like they're supportive of each other as well. कि they don't hold that against each other. कि जो Gerrard Lampard और Scholes करते थे कि we wouldn't sit with each other in the canteen. ये हमारा Liverpool group होता था, United group होता था.
So what do you think? Who are the favorites to win it? तुम्हारे
personal. चलो, I'm not talking about super, like just personal.
Personal
favorites. I want Portugal to do well. Top three, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Portugal first. Obviously, मेरे उसमें ना हम ज़्यादा nationalities को उस तरफ wholeheartedly support नहीं करते. अगर एक निकल भी जाए, so we have an alternate for that. So,
but like you still have a team.
I have a team.
You have an Italy team.
शुरू से,
yeah. For me, I haven't been much of a nationality. Like I know he has a lot of people do this. You know, like they do a club, but then at the same time nationality.
This is Tariq की भी Italy.
Tariq भी Italy.
Behran की Germany है.
Exactly. And a lot of these, but I've never done the nationality thing. But for me, like it's always been like player-wise. You know, the supportive player. And I want Portugal, man. I like their squad. I like the players, and I think like they should like João Felix especially, bro. I'm such a fan of João Felix. So Portugal and. Second फिर कहता हूँ मैं Belgium for Kevin De Bruyne and third England
and Lukaku
yeah obviously and वही England and third
England अच्छा सही मैं सोच रहा था फिर मैंने कहा मैं जरा अंडरडॉग से जाता हूँ इटली तो ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट है फिर मैं जाता हूँ रशिया और टर्की
That's nice.
रशिया सेकंड होम
टर्की हाँ ये भी है
टर्की का सीन ये है उनकी जो यूरो 2008 वाली टीम है ना वो मेरे मेमोरी में एच्ड है वो इतने क्रेजी थे
You want them to do well.
सेमी सेंटर स्ट्राइकर नाउ ब्रूक यिल्माज़ लील वाला
अच्छा
और भी ओज़ान तूफान इस तरह के प्लेयर्स हैं
वो भी लिवरपूल का बॉय जो आया था वापस भेज दिया
कौन
कबाक
ओज़ान कबाक है सुयुंचू है
अच्छा that's good, man. That's decent-ish. Like we're not good at the level.
छोटे level के
you can compete. You can compete with it.
हाँ तो बस I think इस episode के लिए काफी है इतना.
Yeah, for sure, man.
So do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel और bell icon पे भी click करें और अपने boys के साथ share भी करें इसे. और नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं जब सारे बॉयज आ जाए तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ज्यादा फन होगा
ऑफ कोर्स वी विल डू द होल टॉप
होल या एग्जैक्टली सारे स्क्वाड्स डिस्कस करेंगे और भी बहुत ज्यादा चीजें करेंगे अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम अल्लाह हाफिज़